How to create IAM user in AWS. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to AWS and make sure you're logged in. After that, head over to the search right here and then type in IAM. Then you're going to see Identity and Access Management. Click that. Let's click this. Now let's click Get Started with IAM. Now the root user is the main account owner using the email and password that created the AWS account. And the IAM user is the user that someone already created inside the AWS account. In my case, I'm gonna hit root user. I'm gonna use my email and now type in your password. Copy the verification code, paste it here and verify. Now you have a couple of options here to secure your account. The simplest for me is using the Authenticator app because I always have my phone with me, but for now we're just gonna skip this. Now from here, click the search, type in IAM, there you go. And from here you can complete your AWS registration. Just type in your billing information. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.